This is breaking news across America tonight. It is a gripping moment. The former Minnesota police officer, Derek Chauvin, sentenced for the murder of George Floyd.
Sentence for count one. The court commits you to the custody of the Commissioner of Corrections for a period of 270 months. That's 270. That is a 10-year addition to the presumptive sentence of 150 months. This is based on your abuse of a position of trust and authority, and also the particular cruelty shown to George Floyd. You are granted credit for 199 days already served. Pay the mandatory surcharge of $78 to be paid from prison wages. You're prohibited from possessing firearms, ammunition, or explosives for the remainder of your life. Provide a DNA sample as required by law. Register as a predatory offender as required by law.
Across the United States, this is clearly a moment of political, legal, and personal significance for so many. We have the reaction here of Chauvin as he learned his fate, walking out to prison for the sentence of 22 and a half years. The judge explaining that he based his decision on many legal factors, which include, under state law, the heartache and pain of the family, the facts, the victim impact statements, which were played across America today, and at no time public pressure. The technical potential maximum sentence is 40 years. The prosecution asked for 30, which is considered high according to legal precedent. Chauvin's defense, well, they stunned many legal observers by making a request that would have no legal basis. They were requesting only probation after a murder conviction. Before the sentencing, as I mentioned, this is part of the legal factors because this is a state, Minnesota, like most states, that has a formal process to have victims' families be heard, that is part of the way justice is served. It's tough, but important stuff. If you watch the trial, we covered it. So many people live through it in America. This is not easy to watch, but our justice system, when it works, says it's not supposed to be easy. It's important to bear witness. It is part of justice. It was today part of the punishment, the factor for it, I mean. Floyd's family giving those emotional, legal victims' impact statements.
The sudden murder of George has forever traumatized us. You may see us cry, but the full extent of our pain and trauma will never be seen with the naked eye. The heartbreak and hurt goes far beyond any number of tears we could ever cry.
On behalf of me and my family, we seek the maximum penalty. We don't want to see no more slaps on the wrist. We've been through that already.
My family and I have been given a life sentence. We will never be able to get George back. Daddy's our daughter's first love. He would never be able to walk Gianna down the aisle at her wedding, attend those magical moments of her life.
If you could say anything to your daddy right now, what would it be?
It would be, I miss you and I love you.
I miss you and I love you. There is not much more anyone can add when you deal with this kind of situation. The state deemed this a murder, a preventable, fully avoidable murder, a death, a tragedy. And so those statements come into the record. That's part of the justice today. Everyone in America who's been paying attention understands the rarity of a case like this, of an officer being convicted and then sentenced in a major way for killing someone or for killing a black American. Now, on the Chauvin side, the convicted murderer, we haven't heard from him. He became world famous for this horrific act that's legally been deemed a murder, but we didn't hear from him in the trial. We didn't hear from him in other public forums. We now, today, do hear from him. This is part of the process, too. And again, whether you want to hear from him or not, that's a personal choice. But I mentioned legally, this is also part of the process because even the defendant or convict has rights. So he gave his own statement. You can judge it for yourself. There was a somewhat cryptic or odd reference to peace of mind.
At this time, due to some additional legal matters at hand, I'm not able to give a full formal statement at this time. But very briefly, though, I do want to give my condolences to the Floyd family. There's going to be some other information in the future that would be of interest, and I hope things will give you some peace of mind. Thank you.
As a factual matter, it is not entirely clear what information that would be or how it would bring peace of mind. It's always possible there's some other information out there, but the time to bring forward most exculpatory information or any such information was, of course, during the trial. Now, here's what the Minnesota Attorney General, Keith Ellison, said after the sentencing.
Like the conviction of Derek Chauvin 2 months ago, today's sentencing is not justice, but it is another moment of real accountability on the road to justice.